Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a tier list video for today. Specifically a Paragon tier list. Now let's start with the Apex Plasma Master. Now, this Paragon's alright. I already have the footage available for it, as seen above, but it's just mid at best. I'll put it in, I think B tier. It's just not, it's like barely good for early game bosses. Like, it's honestly just, it's kind of depressing. Okay, now, next we got the Boomerang Paragon, the Dominus. Now, this Paragon is actually pretty deadly if it is against, I guess early elite bosses, because as shown in the clip above, it can pretty much destroy OMGs and BFBs and whatnot with ease. But it can be paired pretty well with Apex Plasma Master in boss run, not only normal boss runs, but elite boss runs too. Here, I'm just gonna put both of these guys in B tier, but I'll put Boomerang in top of B tier because, yeah, B tier is better. Now, next we got the Submarine Paragon. Now, this Paragon's pretty crazy, as shown in the clip above. It can be quite deadly against these OMGs, and it can be really good against elite bosses, and it is really good also against normal bosses. But the only drawback from this Paragon is that you need advanced intel for it to be useful. So just for that alone, I think this deserves A tier. Like the top of A tier. Now we got the Navark of the Seas. Now this Paragon specifically I do have unlocked, but unfortunately I couldn't find footage of this Paragon because this game is really buggy in sandbox mode. I couldn't get the Paragon in sandbox mode. So this Paragon is gonna go behind Sub Paragon in A tier, top of A tier. Now the I don't have direct footage of because I don't have the full Paragon unlocked. However, I do know it is very OP with the ability, and it can really just shred elite bosses. It is so. Wait, what is the name of it again? Oh yeah, Goliath Doomship. I forgot. I am so stupid. This Paragon goes into S tier because it is OP and everybody ranks it S tier. Now this next one, Magus Perfectus, I hate. I have no direct footage of it, and I can't even use it in sandbox mode, which is so bad. And it's one of the worst Paragons in the game. Even though Wizard got a huge price decrease, it's still not a saving grace from how bad this Paragon is. So weak too. Literally, it struggles like even against elite bosses, like, or even normal bosses. I'm just gonna put it in. Wait, should I put it in B tier or C tier? Yeah, just keep it in B tier. Now we got the Ascended Shadow. Now, this Paragon is pretty OP, as its sticky bomb can literally infinite stall ZOMGs and anything below a BAD. And it does really good damage to MOA class balloons. And it does so good against elite bosses too. Which I would rank it high A tier. Now we got the Master Builder. Now, this Paragon is not really that good because, first of all, it does nothing to BAD balloons. does barely any boss damage. It is just bad. He can't even beat a round 140 fortified bad, for crying out loud. Therefore, this Paragon is going into C tier as the worst Paragon in the game. Now we got the Mega Munitions Factory. Now this Paragon is really freaking good because it can literally destroy 100 round 180 ZOMGs, DDTs. It does everything. It literally beats BADs. It beats elite bosses. This can do it all if you had a high degree Paragon. Therefore, this is going in S tier. Now, this Paragon, the Crucible Steel and Flame, is a Paragon I don't own. Actually, yeah, I do own it. It's just the problem is I can't access it in sandbox mode. And because I can't access it in sandbox mode, that's a big problem for me. Therefore, this is going into B tier.